Good morning, guys. My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. So in today's video, this is going to be the ninth month. Can't talk. This is going to be 9 months since we applied the Ethos Ceramic Pro Wax, and we have been properly maintaining this with their ceramic shampoo and their Defy. Now, check out the results. Guys, if you're interested in videos like this, and I hope you are enjoying them, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. So here is the car. We just did our first rinse, and I wasn't going to film it, but my wife encouraged me that I should because it's been 9 months and this is being properly maintained. Now, this actually sits outdoors. It doesn't sit in a garage. It spent a little time in a garage, but mostly outdoors because the customer moved. And now it still looks amazing. So let's go rinse just the top sections here, because we already did, and you can see it's beading. We haven't washed it yet. That is really nice, and we haven't even touched it with a mitt yet. No APC rinsing, because we don't need to. Yeah, that's impressive. Now, of course, this is Defy on top of the wax. So this is what we used. So 9 months ago, we used the Ethos Pro Ceramic Wax. We machine applied it, and of course we did the full decon. We did a paint enhancement, so we polished the paint. If you want to check out that video, check out the card in the corner. And we applied this. 3 months later, or actually 9 months later, and each quarter, so every 3 months, we would use the Ethos ceramic shampoo here, and then we would top it with Defy. Now, why am I doing it that way? Why don't I just leave it to see the longevity of it? Because I'm not going to do that on a customer's vehicle. I'm going to properly maintain the customer's vehicle the way that it's supposed to be done. So that's why I'm doing it this way. And when done properly, is it the Pro Ceramic Wax under here, or is it the Ethos, or is it a combination of both? Who's to say? At that point, it doesn't matter. We're properly maintaining it. It's staying cleaner for longer. It's making it extremely easy to clean. So this is how you properly maintain a waxed or sealed or even coated vehicle. So I'm not one to do tests like that on customers' vehicles. I'll do it on my own, and I have, and I show you that on our weekend washes. But on customers' vehicles and anyone who should be maintaining their vehicle properly, this is how you should do it. We don't need to use an APC rinse. I've explained that in the video. If you want to learn about APC rinsing, click that card. But understand that APC rinsing is meant for full details for vehicles that haven't been washed or detailed in a long time, and it's starting over. It's stripping traffic film and grime from the paint. It does weaken waxes and sealants. It doesn't really touch coatings much unless it's an older coating, but if it's within the durability range of coatings, then APC rinsing will not affect it. It actually will clean the coating. It'll kind of unclog the pores, so to speak, and clean the coating and actually make it hydrophobic again. So when doing maintenance washing, it's very simple, it's very straightforward. We just pre-rinse it, we foam it, we contact wash, and then we use a topper of some sort to dry it. And this stuff is awesome for that, or any type of topper, but this in particular we're putting on top of the Ethos. So we're using all Ethos products for the cleaning aspect. Of course, we're using Optimum Power Clean for wheels and tires, but we're not using it as an APC rinse. So let's get started on this maintenance wash, and we'll show you how quickly this can be done. I'm actually going to time this. I'm just going to put it on time lapse and go through the entire process for just the exterior. People always want to know the timing of it, so I figured that would be kind of cool to do. Okay, so that was just the wash process, and as far as timing goes, not bad, right? Yeah. So let's take a look at the paint now after it's been washed. No Ethos Defy yet, just the ceramic shampoo. Let's go ahead and rinse it. Let's see. Oh yeah. So whether that is the Defy or the Pro Ceramic Wax on here or the combination of the two, does not matter. This is the results from properly maintaining your vehicle. This is after 9 months of the initial application, and we have seen it. This is our 3rd time. Now the owner, I don't know what the owner does as far as cleaning it, if he washes it himself, but we could tell that it's not driven through car washes because it doesn't have those straight line marks and swirls. It has a little bit of swirls still, just because it's going to swirl up over time, even after our paint enhancement. But man, the results are just awesome. And the paint is very, very slick. There's a little bit of grittiness in the back there, but that's to be expected. Otherwise, very impressive. Even the wheels, they cleaned up very easily. I think we put some sort of sealant in the wax. I'll have to look back on it. Look at that. That is awesome. So whatever we put on the wheels, that's also doing well. And it's beading all the way to the bottom. I mean, look at that. That is impressive. Love it. I love properly maintained vehicles. All right, let's use the Ethos Defy and dry it. Okay, so we are done. Now, this was just exterior only that we wanted to show you. We are going to do just a quick interior vacuum and wipe done on here, but there's not much to show in there. What I wanted to show you was how long it took to do this. So I actually forget the timestamp that I put on there, so I'll put it, you know, in the text here on the screen to show you how long it actually took us to do this. And we were not rushing, we were just going our normal pace like we usually do. So it came out great. The paint looks incredible. Still very glossy. I know I don't have any sun to show you, you know, the imperfections on the paint, but that's not the point, because the paint is not perfect anyway. It actually has a lot of stone chips up here. So lots of little like marks and stone chips everywhere. But what do you do if you are maintaining a vehicle and you encounter something like this? Road paint. So we have a little bit of road paint. Now it is in the wheel wells also, but I'm not going to tackle that. I'm going to tackle this. I want to get this off the paint. Now how am I going to remove this and not remove the protection? Well, there is no way of doing that. We're going to have to use a solvent, remove this, reapply the wax, and that's how we're going to do it. That's the process. So we're going to remove that, and let's see if there's any other spots. Yep, there's a few spots down here. So I already removed up there. I used a little bit of Citro, and I'm going to have to re-wax this area, but it removed it. So that's what we're going to do. So Citro 266 in the can here. You can use almost anything. This is not like a magical product. You can use lacquer thinner, you can use other solvents to get that off and just re-protect the area. I get a lot of suggestions saying, this is the best, it's the best, you know, only use this. It's not that great. I mean, it's the same as all the other stuff. So I don't know what all the commotion is about this. Yeah, it's good, but goodness, it's so expensive. I can just use other cheaper chemicals and get the same results. So yeah, don't buy into the name, guys, or what you see on YouTube. It's good, yeah, it works, but man, it is expensive. So I'm going to spray some on the towel here and just gently massage these areas. Try not to go in a big area. Just get the area that you need to remove the paint, and that's it. There. Not bad. I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's all the reflection here. But gently remove the paint. Maybe we can see this one better. there we go. Very gently remove that road paint. Not bad. Now this one, there's a lot here, so I'm going to spray directly on the paint, which you can do, it's okay. But spray it on the paint, let it sit there for a little bit, and then start to gently massage away the road paint. Oh wow, that's just coming right off. Good. I'll get a little bit in the wheel well here. Is this going to mar the paint? Yeah, it probably is. But if we want to polish, or if the customer wants to pay for polishing after, we can do that. But again, this is just maintenance. In another few months, we'll see it again. And if the customer wants to reapply the wax and start all over again fresh, then we can do that. Now I'm going to use the damp towel that we used to dry the vehicle and wipe off that residue. And there, now it's removed. So I'll do the same thing here, remove the residue. So that'll take me like a minute to reapply the wax down there, and I'll just top it with the Defy and we'll be good to go. Pretty quick and easy maintenance wash, and the paint, the protection, it's performing incredibly well. Very, very happy with it. So that's going to do it, guys, for the video. Just wanted to show you how we maintain this vehicle and give you a quick update on the Ethos Pro Ceramic Wax and the Defy. Awesome combo. It protects the vehicle, it makes it easy to clean, and as you can see, 9 months later, the combination of the two, maintaining it with Defy, of course, and the proper shampoo. You don't have to use that shampoo, you can use any other pH neutral shampoo, but I do have it, and it really does clean well, and it's really a nice slick shampoo also. So we used it, of course, to maintain the vehicle. Did a great job. So if you are interested in any of those products, check out the link down below. Now, this was not a paid sponsorship or anything like that from Ethos. They sent us those products like a year ago, and they gifted them to us, and we used them, and we're actually impressed with them. They're really, really good products. So thank you, Ethos, for sending those products to us. But as you can see, the results speak for themselves, and we're really, really happy with how this came out. So we'll continue to use those products because they are great. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care.